Hey guys, Dickeydol everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan BakThuk recipe, which is very simple and easy to make. So let's get started. And before start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe. So first I'm gonna start with dough. So for dough making we need flour. Add the flour according to your need. So next we need water and we need to make the dough. Dough should be made little hard. It's similarly momo dough. So if you make the dough little hard, so we don't need to add too much flour later. Knead the dough until dough becomes not smooth. Once the dough becomes smooth, I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. You can make directly also. Next, I'm gonna fry the pork. First, add the garlic and ginger. Fry for a few minutes. Once the garlic and ginger golden brown color, I'm gonna add pork keema. By the way, you can use any kind of ingredients you have. Mix well. For seasoning here I use 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, add half teaspoon of chili paste. This is optional, so if you love spicy, you can add. If you don't like, you can definitely skip. Pinch of black pepper, little bit salt. The salt is according to taste. You can add. Add 2 tablespoons of water and now I'm gonna cover and just cook for 1 minute in normal flame. Next I'm gonna add around 2 tablespoons of corn flour water. So I like little thick. I want to make little thick. So like this I want. So if you don't want, you can definitely skip this corn flour water. Now our keema is ready. Now set aside the keema. And next we gonna make noodle. So first add some dry flour so it will not stick, and I'm gonna make little flat this. Now take a knife and just cut into long stick. So this way you can make very easy. Now you can follow the video direction, or if you know your style is easy, so you can go with your style. Now my almost ready to boil my noodle. You can call noodle or handmade pasta. This is both of name and will match. So one side I'm gonna blanch the spinach. So first add some salt and just blanch for 30 seconds. So I don't like to cook over. Now take out and put in cold water. So if you put in cold water, it will not change the color your spinach. So this is the chicken cube, ready-made chicken cube. So today I'm gonna make very simple way. So here I boiled the water and now I'm gonna add my chicken cube. Just mix, and next we're gonna add the noodles. By the way, if you have fresh chicken stock and bone stock, you can go with that more better. Now boil the noodle for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep in normal flame. Now my noodle is already cooked. Now it's time to add meat keema and spinach. So which is we make before. And by the way, if you feel too lazy to this way, you can just follow the Hindu making style. That way also very easy. So once I add the all ingredients, just boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not cook more than 2 minutes because we already cook all together. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So if you want to know about more recipe guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And every time enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye. And by the way, don't forget to leave comment below how it is.